Hello everyone, I'm Engineer Shu from INEO Company. Today we'll show you how to use the oven's temperature setter. First align this symbol on the knob with the 0 position. Then press and start deflating. Takes about 1 minute. Then open the door. Start ignition. Once the ignition is successful, the knob can be released. Continue to turn the knob to the left, and adjust it to the position where you want the temperature to be. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.